Welcome to PFTV. Nginozolile Zolile igame yanamhlanje ibone kanjani?
Qala ukuthi ngibonga ama-support for coming in numbers. This game we tried. We tried. But I think coach iluze ku-striker. We needed someone lapho ozohlala. Ngithola because i-position bokwethu. Konke ama-cross bewangena eboxini. But into beyishoda umuntu nje uzohlala la. Asinikeze i-threat. Those guys were they told themselves ukuthi bazohlala babe baningi lapha emuva, but because we didn't have i-threat whereby bese wathola ama-chance ukuthi kungena i-cross, but because bekungana that striker, whether it was Makgopa, Mbuthuma or Mabasa, but we needed someone uzohlala la so that if ibhola liyadlala la interchange waPolusi athole crossini, but mangena i-cross lithola bani ngithola angeke ngimblame naye bekazama uku-invent azena something new which it happened, and he was successful because we scored 3 goals. We scored 3 goals at the end of the day, and we can't blame the coach. But kula ma-chances siwatholile bekufuneke ngabe kune-strike esi-1, maybe 4 or 5 besoyithola. Nenye into discipline, we just score a goal. Why uzingage nalabantu? Phuma Mremi, phuma la. Korile masiqeda ukora iyangera elayinini yakho ba waste isikhathi uReve ubashiye noReve. I think naye uMremi uleke nje experience because you don't have to engage nama opponent because ama opponent will try everything to waste time to provoke you and everything. So yonke into esiyenzile iyenzekile, but somewhere somehow siluze nje concentration there and there. But I think this is a blessing in disguise. This is a blessing in disguise because right now we are out of CAF, meaning we have more time to win the league. We have more time to win the Carling Black Label. We have more time to retain Nedbank Cup. So those are the things ukuthi nathi as Pirates players ukuthi right now asibeni jealous nathi. Why singabi Bayern sithathe yonke into? Why singabi Man City sithathe yonke into? For the first time bafethu siphumile akusi-funeral. This was not a funeral. We display our beautiful football. Stadium besigcwele. Our supporters were there. So I'm not going to talk about penalties. Mina into engizokhuluma ngayo ukuthi nathi asibeni ne-jealous as Pirates players ukuthi yes we are out, but this is not the end of the day. Next cup asithatheni, another cup asithatheni nayo. League, they owe us a league. That's all we league. I'm gonna say thank you to Tito. I character ka Tito bafethu. Character ka Tito. Tito dala sim ngithola udlalile fanaka. Police is always exceptional. Angazi ke performance ka Hoto today, but you cannot be 100% in life. It happens. It's football. So iluza namhlanje kudos. Asiluzanga siwine 3-0. Siwine 3-0 asiluzanga guys. So this game, it was a blessing in disguise. Meaning to sacrifice the CAF for a league. That's the only thing that these guys need to do now, is to win all of the games as a league team.
Next game against Makesi, there's Mbuthuma, there's Mabasa, there's Makgopa. Ufaka ubani?
I think this is recovery time now. This is a recovery time. Let the guys relax. Sunday, Monday, back to work. Guys, whoever is going to play, we can't afford to lose this game. And so, I support each and every player that is going to be there. Whether it's Mbuthuma, whether it's Mabasa, whether it's Makgopa.
But surely you have a favorite now.
Mabasa. Mabasa is my favorite player because he scores goals.
Yeah.
I have nothing against Makgopa, ne?
Yeah.
But I feel ukuthi uMakgopa uleka this thing yokuthi ball control, relaxisa ngithola ama defender lihlala ibhola la. Akanalo. Every time ibhola lifika kuMakgopa he's in a hurry. I think it's one thing that uMakgopa he needs to work on. Asi need ukuthi abe le press in. Pirates do have quality players. Pirates do have players that can create chances. So Makgopa, what right now he needs to do is to stay in the box, hold the ball. If kune pressure, akasirelaxise. Like lihlala ibhola la. Every time Makgopa makatrap ibhola liyale. Yangithola. Akaze atrap ibhola lihlale lana bake bamfoule senzeni sibe ne recovery. That's what he needs to do right now. We don't need a striker that is going to be exceptional. We need a striker that is going to hold the ball, be in the box whenever there's a chance, cross or anything. So, Makgopa is a good striker. But if angafunda ukuthi eboxing njenge striker kuyahlalwa ibada uShaun Bartlett uzokutshela ibalapha embizeni whenever usembizeni anything can happen ukhipha maybe bangamshaya lithi ukore akanawo amathepini uMakgopa. When was the last time you saw Makgopa ashaya ithepini? Angimplay me, but I think sometimes you need to grow as a person. Ukuthi yes, we're great, kudos, but elifini now you need to evolve with the game, integrate with the game. Uqale na ubona ukuthi ngino Tito, ngino Mbule, ngino apolisi. Imagine unorile, unomremi, uyangithola. Bazenzi imsebenzi bonke labantu. Wena all we need from you yilo mbonzi lo. Phela, we need that mbonzi. Inedi.
No, 100%
Maka play me because naye I think angeke ngithi coaching but naye fanele agrow ukuthi this time angidlali nama player yes manje akhona ama player phihliza iwindow mfethu apolisi aliphihliza iwindow umremi aliphihliza iwindow umbuli aliphihliza iwindow uTito aliphihliza iwindow so usayapi. All we need from you is that final touch. But today's game, guys, is not a final. I think for me it's a blessing in disguise because selling a Makapai 3, we've already won one, and we're gonna be the only team in South Africa to win four cups. I think Pirates fanele kibe nejealous na ukuthi yazini iSundowns ibhizi ngale thina sibe busy ngapha ebhodweni ane Sundowns ipheka ibhodo layo asikho jealous na, and I wish Sundowns can go into the final bas represent kahle thina sinamona siphumile kusasa asupporteni Sundowns.
Alright Pagania, brief one on the ref. Today's game, every decision went against us. Pagania umbone kanjani no ref?
I think for me ngilidlalela ibhola angazi ukukhuluma no ref. You know why? Every ref decision is final. Noma ungamthuka umthithise wenzeni masekatheli yale ayikho into ozoyenza. So ureferee akufanele asaffect thina. Angithi sibonile nangale ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Maqeda ukujaja against ini singabi thatha ibhola libekela ubuyele ume ngapha esayidini lakho. Ayikho irate engizomnikeza no referee ureferee they always poor because there's no VAR ayikho into ezoba assist. So ureferee ayikho into esoyikhuluma ngaye uyangithola, and nathi akufanele sibe busy ngoreferee. Ureferee angeke akunele game.
Alright, no thanks Pagania. Bopha.